What is up, teachers on fire? Today I want to show you a few hotkeys that will transform your productivity and the way you use your MacBook. First of all, in Google Sheets, I was wrestling with this one for a while. Is it possible to move quickly between tabs in Google Sheets? I'm talking about the tabs at the bottom of your Google Sheets doc. Well, absolutely you can. Use the Option keys and up and down. Option, up and down arrow. That's what you're going to hit. Wow, that transformed the way that I use Google Sheets in my teacher life. Next, I want to show you how to move between tabs in Google Chrome. So you're going to get a good look at my social media here on Teachers on Fire, but hit Command Option Left Right. Command Option Left Right, and that's going to take you between tabs in Google Chrome in a hurry. Command Option Left Right. So that's something that I've sort of come to know and rely on as well. Super, super helpful. And then finally, how do you move between versions of Chrome? If you're like me, I like to keep my personal and professional separate. I can use Command Squiggly to jump quickly between Chrome profiles from Teachers on Fire over to Christine and Tim Travel over to Sea to Summit Adventures. And then back to Teachers on Fire. I can do it all really fast just using Command Squiggly. I don't know what else to call that key, okay? So Command Squiggly, it's the key right under your escape button, and that's the one that's going to help you cycle quickly between Chrome versions. Hope that was helpful. If it was, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care, Teachers on Fire.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go, go, go.